This immaculate, ocean view newer construction home is just what you've been looking view. Great surf view, great floor plan with designer interior touches like shiplap, quartz counters, tile backsplash, hardwoods, 2 gas fireplace with bookcase around being just a few. Large back deck and fenced backyard that backs to Agnes Creek greenspace for privacy. Located high above the tsunami zone in a quiet residential area with no HOA fees. Barn door entrance to the upstairs utility room. Main floor and upstairs ensuite primary bedrooms.